everyone, welcome back to part 5. So in the past video we've got our overall front shape, pretty much finished with the front. We might have to add, if we look back at our reference images, so we need to have like start, select, A, B, so we'll work out those in a little bit, but we want to have a look at some of these details on the side now. So first of all, let's do volume controls. We've got that little headphone jack, so let's do that. So let's turn our cameras on. Let's do our side view. Perfect. So let's go to sketch. Let's start a sketch. Let's sort of see what we're after. Okay, so it's kind of indented a little bit, and then there's a wheel. So let's hit R for rectangle. Let's bring that up. Let's fill it. That actually looks okay. Let's do that. Hit E to extrude. Let's bring that in a little bit. There we go. And then let's do another sketch. Let's do R. I'm going to go about halfway, which is there. Sketch. Let's go to revolve. Revolve that profile around that body. Let's do new body for now. We don't want it to stick out quite that much. We want it to go a bit further in. But before we do that, okay, it's a little bit hard to see, but you do have some little details we want to have. So let's right click and isolate. Okay, so now let's go to construct tangent plane, click on that face, create a sketch, and R for rectangle. Let's do center rectangle, and then I'm just going to do that. Hit E on my keyboard for extrude, and I'm just going to drag it in just a little bit like that. So now go to create pattern, select the pattern. I want to change to features. Click my extrude axis. Let's pump those numbers up a little bit and do something like that. There you go. Let's go to right click and isolate. I'll take that, move. I want to move it in a little bit. It shouldn't be sticking out that much. Let's do something like that. But we do want to make sure there's space for that. So let's then do combine, tool body, target body that, tool body this. We want to cut, but we want to keep it. So we'll do that. So now you can actually see there is, get rid of that, a hole there for it. Excuse me. Then let's just fill at the edges a little bit, just so we can see it has a little bit of space. There we go. And then I imagine that's just black. Yep. And we should already have our black from our. Yep, there we go. Let's drag that over to there. Perfect. And then what other details did we want from the side? Okay. So we can close you for now. Let's have a look at this. We'll go to sketch. Let's again do R for rectangle. A couple of fillets. Let's bring it back a bit. Then this one is a much bigger fillet. Enter. And then let's E for extrude. Let's bring that in. Let's fillet that edge so it's not quite as extreme. Oh. And then we want to do in the sketch circle close to the middle as we can do. E, and let's drag that down a bit. Again, let's fillet. Go back to our reference. Okay, we'll make that black again. Oh no, let's make sure we've got faces, otherwise we don't undo all of our other details we put in. How are we looking? Not bad. Excuse me. Okay, and we're going to start to have some of those bent lines go all the way round, don't they? So really, let's have a think. I'm thinking I'll probably do them the same way I did in the previous video, where I kind of did a projection and then let's do the bottom bit first. So I'll do all the side details. So if we look back, so we want this little headphone jack coming along there. Oh, we also do of course want to have let's do this line first actually, or our join from hollow casing. Turn snap off. I don't snap it off. Let's bring you all the way down. Finish sketch. Create a pipe. I do not want to cut that, so that's okay, and then do the same up here. Create pipe. Okay. Now we've got the same thing from before that we need to make sure we are doing. So let's go to sketch. Let's hit P for project. And just grab that. Finish sketch. Create pipe. Go to new body and let's just drag. Oh no. We don't need 1 mil. There we go. New body. Right click, move. Go into position. Then let's cut. So target body, tool body. Don't want to keep it that time. There we go. And then we'll do the same down here. So let's create a sketch. P for project. Let's grab that. Let's go to create pipe. Again, I should always remember our measurements, right click, move, okay, excuse me, and then let's again combine, target body, tool body, cut. Let's turn our cameras off for a second, see how we're looking. Not bad at all. Maybe we should just look at adding just the slightest of fillets here, just to make it look a little bit more or less aggressive. There we go. And then let's just check. I'm assuming at the bottom we're going to have the same. Yeah, so at the bottom we have got the same thing. So let's go to sketch. Oh, there we go. Line. Come straight across. Sketch. Create. And all this doing is giving the illusion that it's been molded and that's how we join. So we'll just cut straight across there. We obviously will need to do the same thing on this side. Let's go to sketch. Just to make sure it's all in line. Sketch, create pipe, and cut. And again, just do those corners the same way we've done before. P for project, let's just project that corner, and then we'll do the same thing, we'll project those. So then what we can do, let's do the bottom one first. Finish sketch, create pipe, make sure we change it to new body, okay. And then right click, move copy, and let's move it into position. Zoom in as close as we are, so we're happy with it. Combine target body, tool body, cut. And then we'll do the same up here. Our sketch had disappeared, so let's turn that back on. Create pipe, new body, okay. And then go back to bodies, right click, move copy, move it over, zoom in so we know we're lining it all up. Okay. And then same again, combine tool body, target body, sorry, tool body, and cut. So we have now got our join going all the way around there. We'll need to just do the top as well. We do have the top view. Oh, there we go. So let's just do that while we're here. So sketch line, we want to go right in the middle of that. Finish, create pipe, oh, create pipe, oh no, 1, not 11, 1, enter. Okay, so we've got those joints going quite well. We do need to do these ones as well, so let's do that line. We'll do them both at the same time. We can't do the pipes at the same time, but we'll just do the sketch at the same time. Create pipe, cut, and then we need to turn our sketch back on because it turns off automatically. Create pipe. Okay, so now let's turn off our sketch. Okay, maybe let's just go back and edit feature slightly. Let's just bring it back. Okay, that'll be fine. Let's do the same on this one. Bring you back just a smidge. There we go. Okay. So we've got all of our joins. While we're doing the top, let's just stick with that. So we have got, can we get the top view? Okay. Well, let's keep that one because that's the one we want to keep. Let's go. Top view. Okay, so that is our power button. So let's make a sketch. And obviously we've gone off our reference slightly, so we're going to just make a few slight adjustments, which is fine. And then let's turn that sketch back on. Oh, fill it those edges. And then you want to have a circle, at the top. So let's sort of find the middle. Extrude, drag up, and then let's fill it that round as well. I guess that's power button done. And what else top view wise? Right, let's do the little groove where the actual game comes out of. So let's do a sketch. Do R for rectangle. Okay, and then let's fill it round. Okay, then fill it there. Enter. Then let's E for extrude. And then we want to bring it down. And then how far do we bring it down? Let's have a look. Okay, pretty much to about there. Okay, and then what we will do is let's bring it, because the game do go further down there, just for the illusion that it goes further down. All right, then let's just fill it around some of these edges a bit, again, so they're not quite as harsh. Don't want much, just something like that. Okay. I just want to have a look because it bothers me slightly that that is not in the center. Can I just move my entire sketch? No, hang on. Add sketch. And then there you go, that looks better. I know that's slightly off from the reference image, but in terms of making it look more realistic, when we finally render it, looks a little bit better. It looks a lot more centered that way. Okay, so let's just have a look at where we're at. Let's turn our decals canvas off. So we have now done top. We just need to do our bottom a little bit. Our front is done. Our sides are done. It then will just be those like groove. These bits go all the way around. Let's do this little bottom part first. Now, annoyingly, I don't have a reference image that says where that is, but it looks pretty central. So let's do that. Is that going all the way? No, okay. So let's do a sketch. Do R for rectangle. Let's do center, middle. Let's just fill it as round. Oh. E. Drag you down a bit. Then let's sketch on you. Circle. And like we did before, drag down a bit more. Again, it's not actually serving a purpose, but it makes it look a little bit more realistic. And then we'll fill it these edges as well. And for appearance, let's grab that black that we've already got. We want faces. Get the clothes. Oh, everything looks black on there, doesn't it? So let's do everything black. Oh no, back to faces again. Okay, let's come out, have a little look around again. So now I've got our bottom done. Now we need to add some colour to this as well. Again, we'll use that same black. Is that all one body? Yeah, that is. There we go. So I think what we'll probably do is stop there. Again, really good progress made. So we've pretty much got the front, we have got the front done, bottom done, top, and then it's just sort of finalizing the details at the back. So let's stop there. Let's just do a quick little in-canvas render, see how we're looking. We'll tweak the material slightly, make it a little bit less shiny. Well, shiny is not the word, but okay, yeah, let's stop there. And then in the next video, we'll probably finish it off in the next video. So yeah, let's stop there, and I'll see you in, hopefully, the final part.